Hi there, and welcome to the Kids Art Projects 101 YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Medico, and I'm an art teacher at an awesome elementary school near Orlando, Florida. I'm so happy that you're here. The content you're about to watch is part of our ongoing series of short kid-friendly videos about global art connections. You ready to try one right now? Let's do it.
These are nesting dolls. Open one up and find another one inside. Open that one up and find another one inside. Have you ever seen or heard of nesting dolls before? What kind of details do you observe? The first known set of nesting dolls was made in Russia in 1890. The set was sculpted by a wood carver named Vasily Zvyozdotchkin, photographed above, and then painted by an artist named Sergei Malyutin. Over time, these dolls have become an iconic symbol of Russia. They go by many different names: stacking dolls, Russian tea dolls, Russian dolls, babushka dolls, Matryoshka dolls, and nesting dolls. Nesting dolls are typically sculpted from wood with a chisel and a lathe. A lathe is a machine that helps woodworkers shape cylindrical objects. She's using one there. Then they are hand-painted, usually with bright, bold colors. Traditionally, the outer layer depicts a mother wearing a headscarf and a sarafan, which is like a long apron. In the original set, she was holding a black rooster. Can you pick her out of this lineup? The other figures represent her family. This long purple apron is an example of a sarafan. Have you ever worn an apron? Did it look like this one? Nesting dolls are often sold in markets to tourists to take home as souvenirs. They come in many variations and sizes. Look at all these nesting dolls. Modern crafters use the nesting doll format to create animal collections, caricatures of politicians, and references to pop culture. But some artists and collectors still prefer the more classic style. Regardless of style and theme, people all over the world, not just children, have developed an appreciation for the beautiful tradition of Russian nesting dolls.
That's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Teachers, build off this specific video with the Open and Go art unit I use in my classroom.